lovely earth signs, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul's Tarot. मेरी सारी information description box में kindly have a look. We're here to do your love reading for the rest of June. Upcoming week, upcoming energies, supporting energies, what you need to see in love. Okay, so let's see what you need to see. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sensual you guys are to the core, right? You love being successful because you're very hardworking, right? So we're going to pull out your Moonology oracle, okay, as to what is this upcoming moon cycle bringing. Also with that, we're going to pull out a wisdom oracle that you need to see from your spirit guides, and then we pull out the tarot. Okay, then I do the love spread. चलिए देखते हैं what you need to see. This is showing me high standards. Someone here has got high standards. हो सकता है in regard to, your mindset, in regard to the way you take life generally, or the way you live. You like certain things in certain way. Luxury maybe. Let's see. What do we need to see, Michael Gabriel? Show me the messages you need to see. Blueberry for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is the Moonology oracle for the highest good? So if this is bothering you, you can put it on mute. But this is the right way to do it, right? So there are a lot of people who are watching it but not subscribing. Guys, subscribe कर दीजिए. Make the community grow. And अगर आप कर देंगे तो अच्छा है. Else it's okay. It's fine. चलिए, let's see what do we need to see for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You're very friendly, yaar. That's what they're showing. You're very friendly. You're not bitter. You'll withdraw, but you won't like fire somebody like that, because you have that grounded element to you. At least जिन Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn के साथ मैं resonate कर रही हूँ. Show me the moon oracle that I need to see for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What do we need to see, man? So ये टाइटल जब भी आपके साथ रेजोनेट करता है, जब भी ये रीडिंग आपको अट्रैक्ट करती है, ऑब्वियसली इस रीडिंग में आपके लिए जरूर कुछ है, बिकॉज यूनिवर्स में कोई क्लॉक नहीं है, राइट? सो दिस से होल्ड योर विजन. Fixed moon, very much your energy, right? So I'm going to clarify this to you in a bit, but I thought let me just pull out your wisdom oracle as well. पहले हम वो भी निकाल लेते हैं, so that we know what are we talking about. Someone has a lot of pink flowers around them, or flowers around them maybe. Is it? I don't know, maybe you guys have. So my Taurus, my Virgo, my Capricorn, you're known as the artists as well. Taurus especially, they're known as the artistic ones. They know exactly what they want, how they want. They don't get tempted very easily. But they're very possessive. You guys are very possessive, but you inspire people also. You're very affectionate also. You like to flirt. Yes, definitely. Let's see what you need to see in regard to love. Love, 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 love. तुमसे love हुआ. Maybe it's about confessing. That's the vision. Okay, बता दीजिए. They're asking me to stop. Show the wisdom oracle we need to see. We have the yin energy at the bottom of the deck. Let's see. What do we need to see? Come to the edge. Be the fool. You gotta be the fool. Isn't it? See? So, let me just explain it to you. So, I'm going to go with hold your vision first. You have a look at the card. So, with this, card, one could be that आप please stand your ground. जहाँ भी आप हैं, जो भी आप सोच रहे हैं, जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं, stand your ground. चाहे वो इन रिगार्ड टू गिविंग अ कमिटमेंट है, चाहे इन रिगार्ड टू रिजॉल्विंग समथिंग है, चाहे इन रिगार्ड टू इन लव जनरल है, राइट? एंड द अदर कुड बी दैट यू फाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ स्टक इन अ सिचुएशन, बट दे आर सेइंग दैट यू नीड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फेथ, यू नीड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. आई थिंक यू लूजिंग दैट. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they are saying don't get tempted. Okay, relationships are such that ups and downs होते हैं हर relationship में, but the whole idea is that how much effort you put in the relationship and in the person, because that's how you nurture the relationship, right? And if you don't have that trust in the relationship, then it's hard to make it work. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, that's how I say it. But if you have it and you know that this is right, then you don't have to fear it, right? So with Virgos, you're very analytical. Don't be analytical about it. You're being very analytical maybe about a situation, and that's what is not, kind of doing justice, honestly. And you don't have to kind of be so systematic and saying, give me the truth. मुझे सच बताओ, मुझे सच बताओ. You don't have to. Just go with the flow. कई बार वो अच्छा होता है, कई बार आप अपनी इंट्यूशन को काम करने दीजिए. Most of the times, at least I do that, because that really works. And the moment you let go of your intuition and you try to control things, वहाँ गड़बड़ होने के chances होते हैं. But with this, they're saying you're knowledgeable. That is why Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they're saying that you hold your vision, stick to it, and go slow, right? So definitely, I feel you are dealing with a fire sign. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, there's a possibility. Don't fall for temptation. With Capricorn energy, that's what I see, that you're sensitive and reflective also at the same time. आप sensitive भी हैं, reflective भी हैं, लेकिन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है to have that balance, right? जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, ambitious होना अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा होता है, लेकिन उससे अच्छा होता है हार्ड वर्किंग होना. सो गो स्लो विद द नाइट ऑफ पेंटिकल काइंड एनर्जी. अभी टेरो मैंने पुल नहीं किया, बट आई एम गोना डू इट. सो गो स्लो, गो ईजी, and you will not regret it. That's what this show me. This show me no regrets for you guys. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they're just saying that with this hold your vision card, they're saying that just know in faith you can make it happen. And come to the edge also is more like the Fool energy. It's the Aquarian energy. See, there are hearts that are floating out. I don't know whether you can see it. I'm putting it close for you. Watch. So with so many hearts, the idea is that you have to act like a fool. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. As I said, with the analytical mind and whatever your fears may be, however grounded you are, the idea is to, go with the flow, right? Let go of your fear and express your true self with this card. That's what they're advising you. Please express your true self so that the other person knows how you feel exactly. This could be you, this could be the subject you're asking about. And it's also about not thinking from the head too much. दिमाग से मत सोचिए. Virgo energy a lot. Taurus being like so fixed. Virgo is mutable fixed, right? So you don't have to be like so fixed and saying that you know what, just let it be and let your heart do that. जो unfamiliar है उसको accept करिए. शायद it can bring you a lot of positive results. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, because it might bring in the kind of miracle you're wanting. हो सकता है the one you're asking for is really waiting for your message, or the one you're thinking about is really wanting to be with you, that person, right? But it's just that कि हम वो कर नहीं पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम वो leap of faith ही नहीं ले पा रहे हैं. With the Fool energy, we're not able to take that, and that's very important. So the voice here is to speak up, work on your throat chakra, work on your heart chakra a little, and take that step forward so that you can have what you're truly desiring. जो आप चाह रहे हैं ना, वो आपको मिल सकता है, provided you go ahead, provided you have faith, provided you are also seeking the person in question or the energy in question. So don't worry अगर वो unfamiliar है, don't worry अगर वो आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. That's okay, because that's how we start, that's how we do certain things, right? So I'm going to pull out the tarot for you guys. Let's see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What do you need to see? So here Capricorn energy is good. Why? Because Capricorns love to initiate. They'll start up. So they can do that kind of work. बट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू सी योर सन मून राइजिंग कि आपको एग्जैक्ट पिक्चर मिले. Some of the messages for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in love, in relationship. They're saying take that step. They're showing me take that step. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They're showing me. Don't be fixed. Don't use your mind too much with the Virgo energy. Yeah, see? You're using a lot of mind. Please don't do that. 3 shuffles more. So the message I need to see for Taurus, okay, the highest God. King of Swords. Sit. Throat chakra. बताइए क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या चाहते हैं इस रिश्ते से, या जिसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. What do you really want? What are you really desiring? Take the leap of faith. You know, if you're single, you still have to tell somebody, do that. If you're in a relationship, you have to go forward. एक step ऊपर लेना है, commit करना है. Do that. Take that risk. It's good. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? It might not work. It's okay. But give your best shot. Be you. Be honest. Be real. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What do they need to see in love? The Hermit. So you're definitely thinking, Virgo energy again. You're thinking, you are pondering, you are waiting, you are seeing what did not work. क्या है जो नहीं work किया? What is it that you're not understanding? Why was the drama around? Is it all lost? But then you're looking at the sea, you know, sitting. So you know that there's potential. You're seeing the light, so you know it's time to take courage, come to the edge. You have to. And that's what they're saying, that you just need to heal a little. Or maybe the one you're thinking about needs to heal a little. And you have a lot of 9 energy. So the Hermit, what else? Hold your vision, come clear. What else? Trust your intuition. As I said, don't follow the Virgo instinct. Don't be controlling. Please drop it. You know, difference समझिए. Let situation unfold on its own. Sensitive रहिए. Reflective हैं आप currently. इसी energy में हैं. तभी you're rising up. You're really rising up. And your intuition is working and spirit is really with you, bang on. They're saying that we are supporting you. You just have to trust us. But it's just that कि आप वो शायद नहीं कर पा रहे हैं because आपको ये लगता है that will this work, will this not work, you know, like that. So 9, any which way, as I said, you know, you're dealing with that number 9 kind of energy. It is very hermit energy. It's like you have that spiritual wisdom. आपको पता है. That is why hold your vision is here. कि you know that whoever you're asking for or watching the reading for in regard to love, it's more like the Sagittarian energy. It's more like maybe you're dealing with a Sagittarius. So they're saying that, or something has happened in the full moon in Sagittarius that has crossed by, that you know how abundant the person is, or you are. 9 of Pentacle energy. Trust your intuition because the potential is huge. Maybe you'll receive a message shortly. Maybe there's something which is coming around to you. It's just that understand, जब कुछ चीज़ें unfold होती हैं और हमारी समझ से नहीं होती हैं, तो there's a reason behind it, right? And why we need to push? When a peacock is dancing, I love kind of. So when a peacock is dancing, you know, the peacock is dancing not for anybody else. वो सिर्फ इसलिए नाचता है because he loves the rain, right? And that's where he spreads his feathers, amazing glory, you know. He does it for himself. So आप अपने आप से पूछिए, 9 of Pentacles ये भी है, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy है, आप अपने आप से पूछिए कि What is it that I'm not seeing clearly? That spiritual wisdom with the hermit. What is it that you're not seeing clearly that you need to? That is where probably, the intuition has to come around. And it is coming around. You are getting clarity. What else with the Nine of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Judgment? What is the Judgment and the Nine of Pentacles about? What is coming around for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So it's like there's a lot of contemplation. बहुत सोच रहे हैं आप लोग, right? Please don't think so much. That's what they're saying. Yeah, with the Five of Swords, it is like, how should I put it? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy may be dealing with an air sign. They're saying you're conflicted. आप बहुत सोच रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं जिसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों? I'll tell you. So I dabble with Saturn, Shani. Maybe it's all about righteousness, right? Sun, Moon, Rising देखे. So there's a possibility, because मैं Vedic Western दोनों में dabble करती हूँ. So there's a possibility that, because Mercury is retrograde, so has Saturn gone a little. So conjunct भी हुआ है. So there's a possibility that जो opportunities आपको with Nine of Pentacles देखनी चाहिए वो आप नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, आप conflicted हैं. What is that one? See how this popped out, man. So you are definitely dealing with a Sagittarius. They're saying get into balance. My earth signs, please get into balance, because the change is just round the corner. You really need to work on your heart chakra. You're thinking too much. You don't have to think so much. In regard to love, something amazing with a lot of potential is here for you. और आपको सिर्फ like a fool उस energy में play करना. You just have to flow. You cannot just stop yourself and say, you know what, I don't know, not working. You can't just give up. If you feel that it's not for the highest good, the judgment will work. But this seems to me that you're coming into the light, you're knowing it, you're just fretting too much for no reason or rhyme. And with the Temperance here, this is the angelic card for me, which is like amazingly beautiful. That this is bringing in abundance, this is bringing in that sense of balance. जो loss था, जो समझ नहीं आ रहा था, वो definitely is coming around, because that is where your light is. If you see, there's a sun at the back, shining bright, right? More like that kind of bright. And here as well. So you're getting that understanding कि जो नहीं workout कर रहा था, वो क्यों नहीं कर रहा था, and now you're ready to kind of take that leap of faith and saying, you know what, I'm all set to go, and I know that this is right for me. That is why you're holding on to it. That is why you want this to work. That is why you're saying, you know what, I will go forward no matter what, because that is what your heart probably desires and you believe in it. It's not the time to sit back. ये बैठ कर सोचने का समय नहीं है. It's time to take that step. Be courageous about it, and yet be angelic about it. Not be fiery, not be aggressive, understanding that abundance जो है किसी भी रिश्ते में वो तब आती है जब हम equals की तरह एक रिश्ते को ट्रीट करते हैं, और जब वो हो जाता है तो रिजल्ट्स अमेजिंग होते हैं. So this is what I have for you, my earth signs. अगर ये resonate करता है, so do give us a like and subscribe, help the community grow, and I'll appreciate it. Stay home, stay safe. घर रहिए अपने और अपने परिवारजनों का ख्याल रखिए. Take care of them. And thank you so much, my new joiners, my old joiners. Thank you, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye for now.